Welcome back. I put in effort today. Do you notice this effort? Do you notice this effort? I put in lots of effort. I mean, it was like moderate effort. It wasn't really that much. But there's like lights. And I'm clearly sitting outside on the street in front of a pink brick wall. Duh. It's where everybody does their makeup videos. I just wanted to say to everybody who has been here before, welcome back. Thank you for coming and hanging out with me yet again. You know I love you. And for everybody who's never been here before, feel free to click that subscribe button. I would mean a lot to me. You could also hit the notifications if you're down with giveaways, because I have one coming up. It will be my 4th giveaway, and my giveaways are pretty boss because I'm picky and I'm not trying to give away janky things. I have a little bit of an unboxing / show and tell video. The reason that it's not a full unboxing is because around my birthday, I got some presents in the mail from my wish list that I have attached to one of my Instagrams, and I had some really nice fans buy me some really nice things, and I wanted to just show you because I can't even believe it myself. So I'm thinking first things first, show and tell my spoiled little butt and show you the most amazing thing that somebody sent to me. My birthday was in November the 21st. I'm a Scorpio. That makes sense, I bet. So I ended up getting a package. This was in a box like this. And then in this bag is tissue paper, and then this box. And then you open it like this. And inside this box is this box. Don't pass out. It's so beautiful. And I just want to say,
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Oh my God. Thank you again. You know who you are, and that was very, very, very sweet of you, and it actually did make me feel special on my birthday, so thank you. Look at that. How gorgeous. It's a choker. I think I'm going to go ahead and wear it right now. I live by that one part of Home Alone where he tells the lady that he bought brand new ice skates and he put them under his bed because he didn't want to ruin them, and then by the time he went to go use them, they didn't fit anymore, and he never even got to use them because he was trying so hard to keep them safe. So I'm just gonna wear it because you never know. If you save things for a special occasion and then your special occasion doesn't come, you could have worn it just every day because you love it and it's beautiful. It doesn't even have to be about clothes. It could be anything. Baby sharks do 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 do. Baby sharks do 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 do. Baby sharks do 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 do. Baby sharks. Hi. I love this. That's it. The end. I love it. I'm in love with it. If I could marry it, I would. I'm like a turkey towards glitter. Straight for the glitter. I'm like, what is that shiny thing over there? Oh my God. Okay, so the 2 unboxings that I'm gonna do, one's a wig. I only know that because the box on the outside says, "We do wig right." The only problem is I don't know who they're from, who it's from. There's no name on it. It's just a lot of words about wigs, and the card doesn't have their name on it or any way to get in touch with them. I don't know. I'm going to figure it out though. So, we do wig right. Fair enough. Yes. It comes with 2 wig caps. So there's 2 in here. And a neutral tone. And then the card, best regards, wish you have a nice day. But then it says CT. So that might give me a clue on how to figure this out. To you, wish you happy every day. Bye, friend. BY. Not like peace out, like bye your friend, like to and from. That's what I got from that. And then this cool, and the reason I have a very similar unit, so I'm assuming it's from them. I'm just going to find out before I post it. And it's always comes like this. They always have these little netties on them and this. And it's kind of like a purple to light pink ombre with a wave. It smells nice. I'm going to put this on too. Not now. Because I look fresh to death. So I'll probably do a video cutting the lace and maybe cutting a little bit of the hair and showing you how when I do wear wigs, how I attach them. I'm a super huge fan of wigs. I love them so much. If anybody out there's ever dyed their hair a color before, the less you wash it, the better. It's like, looks nice for 5 seconds, and during those 5 seconds it gets on everything, and then once it stops getting on everything, it's a different color again. So basically I just like to wear wigs because, one, it's like super fast and convenient. I just love them. It like changes up my look. And then the other reason is because then I don't have to be washing my hair as much. I can just like slather it in some conditioner and put it under where those caps. I can tell you that I will not be putting that cap on in front of anyone. I don't ever plan on doing that. I know a lot of people do that, but like, you can't come back from that. Like, you can't. I look weird when I do it. I don't know. It's like, you know what it's the equivalent to? Think about when you are like getting ready and you're completely naked and you just put nylons on. There's nothing more horrifying for me than to look in the mirror when I'm just only wearing nylons. Think about that. That's what a wig cap, it's the equivalent to me. In my mind, that's what I look like. I could have full makeup, be fully dressed in this thing, but if I take my hair right now and put it up tight, the way I like it, like super tight in a wig cap, which is basically a bald cap at that point, it's the equivalent of being naked in nylons. You're welcome. If you've never done it, don't. It's not worth the horror. And don't Google it either, because the pictures are probably sick. So, from Physicians Formula, the company whom I seem to always be buying things from because they have cool stuff. Sent me, well, this is fallen out scent, so it's in a box. Looks like it's sent from Amazon, which is weird to me because, but I mean, I guess that kind of makes sense. I can tell what this is right away, I think. So this was wrapped with this, but it's fallen out. And this, which I don't know, but here we go. Goodbye. Ooh, fun. Let's open up the thing that I'm pretty sure I know what it is first. People's Choice Award Butter Bronzer. #1 in bronzers. in the color bronzer, which I always find funny. But so it just says bronzer. It smells like delicious sunblock, like on a vacation with no stress, and you have a little buzz from a cocktail. It just makes you happy. So I live by this stuff. It's like, I would say it's very close in my must-have in my own personal collection, with that Neutrogena primer, which I'm like talking about like a psycho all the time. This is really close for me. These things I have never even seen before. So there's a Mineral Wear by Physicians Formula foundation coverage and natural matte finish. Mineral loose powder, talc free, SPF 16. That's what's up. Translucent light. So looks like it has a brush in there. Fun. Youthful Wear. Pharmaceutical youth boosting spotless foundation and brush. Yes, Physicians Formula. SPF 15. Wait a minute. If that's 16 and this is 15, if you wear them both, is it 31 SPF? I never thought about that. Probably not. Oh, wait a minute. Like if I put on a 50 and a 40 sunblock, is it buildable? Is sunblock buildable? MUA life. Reduce the appearance of spots 67%. I check for spots immediately. I'm like, oh my God, they think I have spots. I am self-conscious. New innovation, weightless foundation serum. Instant spotless coverage. What? Look up to 10 years younger. Oh, instantly. Yeah, okay. That's called just foundation, regular. Oh. Okay, it is trying to do something. I don't know if it will work, but it's saying 100% saw brighter and more even skin instantly. So they wore makeup. They could have left that out. 90% saw less visible sun damage in 2 weeks. Oh, because they're wearing sunblock now on their face. 100% saw significantly lighter dark spots in 3 weeks and less dark spots overall in 4 weeks. 100% saw less fine lines and deep wrinkles in 3 weeks. What is this stuff? I want to have it every day. Shake bottle. Apply 2 to 3 drops. That's it? Cool. That's what's up. This might be my jam because I do like this is in the tone shade medium. Ooh. Oh, look, it's a dropper to go right on the brush, and there's the brush and here's the makeup. I'm super excited about this. I want to try this. I'm definitely going to have to do like a whole thing. Just gather all my Physicians Formula. I got this e.l.f. 2-piece glitter set. That looks fun. I do love glitter. So it's these two right here, and they're saying Stardust Glitter Eyeliner, Pop of Glitter Gel. Cool. I like things like that. I think I'm actually wearing something very similar to it right now. Actually, I know I am because I just did my own makeup. I don't know why I said I think. Pretty sure I know. And then here's this stuff. Gel. The word gel is making me nervous, but it's fine. Ooh. That's pretty. It's really pretty. I'm going to wait a second and see how this dries on my hand, and if it dries nicely, I'm going to throw some up there on my eyelids. I'm so weird. How does it go to the grocery store? Boo. Boo, grocery store. Ooh, it's hardened. It's not like still a gel. I mean, it's not like gonna stay there forever if I keep rubbing it, but I'm gonna use a brush because I just got these nails on and they are long. I won't be able to hit the mother flipping angle when I try to go like this. I'll be like, oh. This stuff's fun. I mean, I feel like that really like kicked me up a notch on my eyes, and I barely am like using any. There's like 700 times I could do this in this tube because I'm like, look at what's coming out. I'm like, oh, and I'm just like barely taking any. That's pretty. Good job, Elf. That silver liner was making me kind of like, yeah, whatever. But this is really nice. The way that it's drying hard. I like that. What do you think? I don't know why it's reminding me of you, Tracy. But you know, my Tracy, because you're always talking to me about like neutral colors and not looking like this, because you know I'm a banana and not everybody's a banana. I get that, but this is something I feel like would be good for just somebody that wanted, because I feel like you could put it here, you could put it on your lip, you could like just kind of like throw this around because of this nice, it's like golden pop of glitter gel, but it doesn't say the, oh, it doesn't say the color. It doesn't. It has a bunch of numbers. Oh yeah, this lady used it down here as a highlight, like here. That's what I was saying. It looks like it could just go anywhere. Don't overdo it, Tracy. I actually wrote down Tracy's instructions. She asked me to do something. It's been like a month. Of course, I haven't done it because I've been busy, but she's broke it down to me like peach blush, nude lip, like she said, and I was like, okay, that's more than just like a little idea. That's like you're literally telling me exactly what to do, and I thought it was funny. So I copied it and I saved that message, and I have it here. I see it all the time. It says Tracy's instructions. So I plan on doing that at some point when I'm out of my own brilliant ideas. So I guess we get to do some Physicians Formula pink wig wearing on my next video. Now that I know what I have, and that, you know, the day that I'm not trying to straighten these luscious locks, I'll show you how I do my wigs. Where's my cat? Cat? Cat! Orion! He comes when I call him. Not when I say cat, so. Orion! Oh, he's behind me. He's literally sitting on something behind me, and this is him when I just sit up. He's like, what, dude? I'm right here. This is Orion. He's a good boy. You're a good boy. Orion. Oh my God.